guys, it's Sandra from Inspired Keys. If you want me to answer your worship keys questions with priority, or you have a request for any worship song that you want me to do up a tutorial or a cover video of, and if you want to stand a chance to be an Inspired Keys Academy scholar, then be sure to check out patreon.com/inspiredkeys. I'll see you there and enjoy the video. Hey guys, it's Sandra from Inspired Keys. The one thing about playing worship keys that engages listeners is contrast. That's right, contrast, which also means to make something different. Okay, the third one will be keyboard range. So you can't just stay at the same range forever. It's just gonna sound boring. So like the first version will be, maybe the super lowest one I can think of for the bridge will be. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that one more time. And then the second time, let's just say the worship leader wants to repeat this section. Okay, so here's the third repeat. I'm gone from the lowest to the middle range. Okay, and then after this, they're building some more. So you can see how I climbed. And then of course you can't just stay at that high range forever. You want to just eventually later move down. So keyboard range, extremely useful, extremely important. To go deeper in this topic, be sure to download the free download that is available for you. Just click the link below to access the cheat sheet that I've created for you on aspects that you can create contrasts for worship keys playing. If this video helped you, be sure to help this video to rank better on YouTube by liking, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with your friends either by social media or word of mouth. Also, comment below to let me know what you thought of it. Is there another aspect of music that you can think of that we could create contrasts on that I missed out? Yeah, the possibilities are endless. And you could also share with me ideas on suggestions on what kind of videos you want to see in this channel in future. And finally, if you want to fast track your worship keys playing, then be sure to check out the Inspired Keys Academy. Inspired Keys Academy is a membership site that houses a lot of worship keys videos that you can learn at your own pace as fast as you want. And not only that, you can also upload a video of yourself playing, and then you can get critique on your playing and interact with other worship keyboardists as well. So if that interests you, be sure to check out the Inspired Keys Academy by going to inspiredkeys.com/join, and I can help you with your worship keys playing as well. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Happy playing and God bless.